1950 Chevrolet C50 pickup, a workhorse of the past. Welcome to the Road Rival, where we explore the legends of the automotive world. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the 1950 Chevrolet C50 pickup, a true workhorse from an era when trucks were built to last. A classic heavy-duty icon. The 1950 Chevrolet C50 was a mid-range heavy-duty truck designed for serious hauling and rugged work. While smaller Chevrolet pickups like the 3100 series catered to farmers and small businesses, the C50 was built for those who needed more power and durability. Its robust chassis and powerful drivetrain made it a favorite among construction workers, transporters, and industries that relied on heavy loads. Timeless design and engineering. The C50 featured the signature Chevrolet advanced design styling, rounded fenders, a bold grille, and a sturdy, no-nonsense body. Under the hood, it was typically equipped with a reliable 216 cubic inch inline-six engine, producing around 92 horsepower. Paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, it delivered solid performance for its time. The truck's heavy-duty suspension and reinforced frame allowed it to carry substantial weight without breaking a sweat. The legacy lives on. While the 1950 Chevrolet C50 was eventually succeeded by more modern models, its legacy remained strong. Restorers and collectors prize these trucks for their durability and vintage charm. Many have been restored into pristine condition, while others have been repurposed into hot rods or custom builds. Whether stock or modified, the C50 continues to turn heads and remind us of a time when trucks were built with pure strength and purpose. Stay tuned to the Road Rival for more deep dives into legendary machines from the past and present.